If you're encountering the location not available error on your iPhone, it can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on location services for navigation or finding nearby places. This issue typically occurs due to a malfunction in the GPS functionality, software glitches, or incorrect settings. Here are steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Before you follow anything, disable low power mode and enable location for Find Me. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Battery, turn off power mode. Quickly after that, open Setting again, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Service, enable this option if this is already enabled, then disable and re-enable it from here. Tap Share My Location, make sure that Find My enable from here. Go back, scroll down, find out Find My and tap on it. Select while using this app. Mostly, this will solve your issues, but if you still have issues, then try out the following process. Solution 1. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, turn off this feature. Solution 2. Check software updates. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap on General, select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, check if the Find My iPhone option is still grayed out. Solution 3. Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Open the Settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top, scroll down and select Sign Out. Sign back in with your Apple ID and check if Find My iPhone can be enabled. Solution 4. Reset location and privacy settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Location and Privacy. Confirm the reset by entering your passcode if prompted. This action will revert all location and privacy settings to their defaults. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the location not available error on your iPhone. If the issue persists, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance or visiting an Apple support for a more in-depth diagnosis.